Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends, you are watching CSC Guide official YouTube channel. Today I will tell you about Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication CSC scholarship has been started. So if you have an acceptance letter, if you don't have acceptance letter, then apply as soon as possible, because when you apply as soon as possible, then your chances of selection will be high. So now came to the point. Now move forward. The authority Chinese government scholarship named Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication. Chongqing University is another university, and Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication is another. So this is for master and PhD student, fully funded, 3000 RMB for master, 3500 RMB for PhD. Just online apply and send documents. Online apply and send documents to the university. So no application fee, and last date is 15th of April 2020. Eligibility criteria for the students is all international students can apply. Master's age is 35, and PhD is 40 year. English proficiency certificate is enough for apply. So how you apply for the scholarship? First, you fill the CSC online application form with the agency number is, and second, after filling the CSC application form, you must fill your online application form at Chongqing University. This is a link of the official Chongqing University online application portal. So this is the online application portal of on CSC website. Okay, now or no application fee, and result will be announced at the end of July, and mailing address and all the required documents sent to this address. Okay, and what is the required documents for this? Send all the duplicate copies of these documents. So first is the CSC application form with B categories. The name is B category is here. So I think this is the so I'm a little bit mistaken this. I think we check that what is the code, agency code. So I will correct which is the authentic code for this. So a little bit mistaken this. So online application form with signature and copies of highest CSC application form, university online application form, which you fill on this portal. When you click on this portal, and this is the online application form of this university, CQUPT.17gz.org, and highest copy of highest notarized copy of transcript education, and research proposal or study plan, not less than 800, and recommendation letter, passport photocopy, 2 passport size photos also required for this, and no criminal certificate record, physical examination form, and papers or articles will to be published, and English proficiency certificate is not mandatory, but if you are majoring in HSK in Chinese, then you provide HSK if applicable. Okay, all the documents should be bound together at the top left corner, means 2 sets of documents. Make 2 sets of documents and staple two different sets, 2 sets, one is separate from other, and staple it on the left corner. Okay, and submit 2 sets of bound document to the university address, which is the address which I shall tell you in above. So this is the official announcement, and I also share the link in this. If you not clear your question. So the 10617, this is the official code of this university, 10617. So this is the correct agency number. When you type this number, then automatically shown your university name, so don't worry about this. So now came forward to the official announcement. What is the official announcement of this university? The same requirements which I tell you, and you should prepare your documents same like this. Okay, so this is 17 points of documents, means 17 documents. So address send your documents to this address. Okay, now I will make, inshallah, in the next videos I will tell you about 2 or 3 universities and how you fill the university online application from Chongqing University online application form. I will tell you in next video, and in next video I will also tell you apply for university scholarship, President Chongqing University of Post and Telecommunication President Scholarship. If you complete your limits for B category on 3 universities, then you apply for university scholarships also, because for university scholarship there is no limit in maximum universities you can apply. Don't have any limit on this. So this is the main thing, and all these links, if you want to find your difficulty, find your faculty here, then click on this, and in one click you will find your major. This is a 6 lists, in each list 20 universities with faculty list, so you can find faculty list as you can as you. So this is a 120 list, and in inshallah in upcoming days I will make another videos on this, and another universities find 30 university, 80 universities under CSC government scholarship, and inshallah I will make all these I will find all these universities faculty list, and others, all these other scholarship, all the scholarship we started CSC admission being listed here. So this is a website of CSC Guide official.com. You visit this website and get everything which you want. And so I hope you like this video, and we met in next video. Hope so you understand all this procedure, how you apply for this. All these things must prepared carefully. If you're doing any mistake, then your application will be cancelled, and take care of you, and take care of the application, because your duration and your years is very useful for you, so you use it. So it's very important for you. Don't miss your year or study, so make it correct. So if you are with us, then we will tell you every university which start admission. So apply as soon as possible. Main thing for apply is that you should apply as soon as possible. Hope so we meet in the next video. Good luck and take care of you.